I'm Elizabeth, owner of Sarasota Home Organizer. Today, I wanted to share with you 3 different ways that you can store your jewelry. This is a jewelry cabinet, which is great because it serves dual functions. So you've got the mirror on the front, and when you open it up, as you can see, you have all your necklaces here, earrings, watches. There's really a lot of room to store whatever you need. If you want to keep things in their individual bags, you can. So sometimes you keep our more special items in these, and then the ones that are more everyday use you just leave out in the open. This is really versatile. You can use it however you want. I love that you can see everything at a glance if you're not really sure what you are looking for. And the best part is that it closes up and it's all nice and put away and out of sight. Another option is to have your necklaces hanging on a stand. This looks really nice. It's easily accessible. You get to see your favorite pieces, and it also keeps them from getting tangled up with each other. Another option is to keep your jewelry in drawers. This is great because we all have extra drawers, or this nightstand dresser. I highly recommend these stackable jewelry organizers. You keep the jewelry separate, your bracelets, necklaces, earrings. That way they're not getting tangled up, and you can stack them so you can keep your items that perhaps you don't wear as often, keep them on the bottom, keep your favorites up on top. Keeps them nicely stored away, dust-free, and easily accessible. I'm Elizabeth, owner of Sarasota Home Organizer. To learn more about me and my team, go to sarasotahomeorganizer.com and follow us on social media for more tips and tricks on how to keep your family organized.